So this is actually one of the best combos you can use right now to build smart AI websites. So I'm using Manus AI, Nano Banana, and GoHighLevel to create the best and most functional website that sells itself, okay? So as you can see, this is the website that Manus AI created for me. I mean, this website looks incredible. Look at this. This is for a car shop that we were working for. As you can see, we have Apex GT, here we have the starting price. Everything looks so clean. Numbers that speak, as you can see, everything is animated. We have the image right here, right? So the features, technology refined, as you can see. So everything is literally so clean, and Manus AI is by far the best AI website builder that I pretty much discovered. Now, Manus AI is not a typical LLM. It's an autonomous agent that can do pretty much everything for you, like from scraping leads to finding leads to putting them in a CSV to creating a website just like this. So as you can see, this looks really awesome. Now, how I started and how I coded this website and how I'm going to make it smart, I'm also going to tell you this. So I basically put in a prompt that I got with ChatGPT. So I said, I need a prompt for Manus AI for a 3D interactive website for a car shop that looks like Apple. 3D visuals, moving, and it needs to be very modern. And as you can see, this is what I got after, I think it was around 10 to 15 minutes. You know, it went through the, obviously, the car shop, Apex Motors. It went through the instructions, and then it built the website. Now, I'm not using Manus AI for simple tasks like prompts. I'm using ChatGPT for simple tasks, and then I'm using Manus to actually go and build my website. Now, to make this website smart, because as you can see, we don't have anything on this website yet, which can convert customers into, or visitors into customers. So in this case, once we click book a test drive, we want to actually go to our booking page. Not just that, but we want to have a pop-up on this website. So whenever someone comes in, you know, GoHighLevel will collect the lead via pop-up. And we also can integrate a AI voice agent that can be integrated on the website. So let me show you how to do that. By the way, all the links can be found in the description below. So first of all, what you want to do is you want to go and log in into your GoHighLevel account. If you don't have GoHighLevel, make sure to register, and you will be on this particular page right here, which is an agency view. GoHighLevel has two different views, agency view and sub-account view. So you need to go and create a sub-account, and this is going to represent your business or your client's business, okay? From there, once you create a sub-account, you switch to that sub-account right here. And first of all, first thing what we want to do is we want to go to our AI agents, and we want to integrate our AI agent into Manus AI. So here, what we want to do is we want to go to Voice AI, and I actually have agent templates here, so I don't have to think a lot about it. So here, I can just type in car, and as you can see, we have car dealership voice agent. So I can click on that, and I think I already have this installed. So as you can see, I have this installed, and this pretty much does everything for you. So if we go to our Voice AI agent list, this is where we have car dealership services here. So this is our AI agent, AI voice agent. Now, as you can see, it says fail to load phone numbers. What you want to do is you want to make sure that you have phone numbers. So go to settings and then go to phone. I will show you right now. So go to settings. And then what you want to do is you want to go to the phone system, and you want to purchase a phone number for your business, okay? Because this is how it's going to work with your AI voice agent. Here you put the agent name, business name, obviously the voice, time zone, the LLM model, inbound or outbound is going to be inbound for this one. Agent goals, again, you put the agent goals in here. Create the knowledge base. We have phone and availability. We add the phone here. And then what we want to do is once we save this, so once you save this, you want to go to marketing, and you want to go to actually sites, and then chat widget, new chat widget, voice AI. And then as you can see, this is the voice AI that we can integrate on our website for our client. So this is a car dealership. So in here, what we can do is we can go to chat window, messaging, agent. So agent, we can choose here to be car dealership, As you can see, we haven't saved it, but if you saved it, you will have it here, and click on the car dealership. Also, to get the code so we can add this to Manus AI, what we want to do is we want to go to our chat window, or style. I think it's style here. No, we actually want to do additional options, and then here we want to add our company. Okay, once we add our company and hit save, we can get this code. We can copy this code and go to Manus. Now, we're not going to be integrating just this, so I will just go here and I will not hit enter. I will say integrate this chatbot on the website, and then I'll leave a spot for the pop-up as well. So I'll go in GoHighLevel and I'll go back and I'll create a pop-up. So in this case, we go to sites, forms, form builder, and then we create a new form. We can start from scratch here, create. And as you can see, we can go to our form. So this is going to be car form for Manus. Okay, let's say this is the form we want. By the way, you can obviously go and adjust this form. For example, I adjust this form, a point setter, I think it's this one. So I actually adjust this form like this on my website. As you can see, this is one of my websites. Again, this is just a simple website, but wanted to show you that with GoHighLevel, you can adjust these things with a CSS and stuff like that. So once you have this, we hit save, we integrate this, and we want to add it as a pop-up, and we want to show it on scrolling 35%, okay? So we copy this embed, we go to Manus, we say also add this pop-up right here. And you can also do the book test drive. So book test drive, how you can do this is if we go back, and you can adjust everything to be in one place for your clients. So in this case, we can go to calendars, calendar settings, and we can go to create a new calendar. And for the car shop, it's going to be service booking. And here, make sure to create a calendar. So in this case, you want to add your staff member as well. Go to your staff here, and you want to add your staff member. So that's the first thing you want to do. So after you add a staff member here, after you add it right here, and again, it can be an admin or whoever is going to manage your bookings, in terms of like checking who booked, who didn't book the appointment. Once you confirm this, you will have a calendar like this. So you want to share this calendar, okay? So this is going to be a scheduling link. So we want to copy this, or actually go to the embed code, copy this one, and say also after someone clicks on book test drive and any book test drive, lead him to another page where there is a book, where there is this pop-up, okay? And then hit here, and then hit enter, okay? Once you do all of this, Manus will go through everything, and it will actually go and do the book test drive, book a call, do the pop-up, and also create a right here, like a chat widget, which we covered right here, I think. Yeah, right here on the GoHighLevel. So yeah, let's see what Manus can come up with. Now, this will take, again, 5 to 10 minutes, but it will do a really great job at integrating everything together. So let's see what Manus can do. And yeah, let's get back in a couple of minutes. Okay, as you can see, we got the pop-up. Now, the pop-up doesn't look that great. We can obviously go and always, adjust it, especially in the colors of Apex Motors. Also, here, as you can see, we have this right here, which is really cool. Now, obviously, we have this made with Manus. If we want to always hide this, we can hide the badge, and it removes the public AI disclosure. So obviously, you can always go and you can hide this if you want. Now, in terms of Manus, what I really like about it is that Manus will check itself when it is adding these elements on the website. Because, for example, if Manus has an error along the way, it will fix the error itself. So it's essentially doing everything on its own. So it's autonomous. And I really like that about it. So as you can see, we have everything right here. Now you can pretty much go and sell this website to your clients. You can host it on GoHighLevel. You can host it wherever you want. Again, You can pretty much do most of it with Manus, but the whole logistics about behind everything is GoHighLevel, because GoHighLevel is a central hub for everything. So if you want to test GoHighLevel for yourself and Manus, we have the links below. And yeah, if you have any questions, feel free to comment down below, and we'll see you in the next video.